So I was a bit quick in ending the last video. If you notice, we have not entered or created this box in the center of our drawing. So we need to do that. So let's go ahead and do that. So what I'm going to do, first of all, is let's take a look at where it is. With respect to this corner, the lower corner here is 0.875 inches vertically and 1 inch horizontally. So the dimensions there would be 1, 0.875. So what I'm going to do is let's actually go ahead and create a rectangle. So I'm going to click on the rectangle feature here, and then I'm going to go to Snap From, and I'm just going to hover over here for a second so you can see, or maybe it won't show you it popped up for a second, the instruction. So anyway, I'll click on it, and now we're in the Snap From mode. And if you look down here, it wants to know where we're snapping from. So what I'm going to do is going to come down. Looks like that didn't start. I guess I didn't actually click the rectangle. So let's do that again. I click on the rectangle. Now I click on Snap From. And now we can see it wants to know the first corner from the base point. Well, the first thing we need to do is select the base point. The base point is the place we're snapping from. So I'm going to click here. Once I get the box at that endpoint, I'm going to click on that. And now I have to type the offset. Now, whenever you do a snap from, you have to use the @ symbol to do a relative coordinate. Otherwise, you will place things with respect to 0, 0. So we want to type here @ and if you remember the dimensions we spoke of, we said 1 inch in the X dimension, so we'll type 1, comma, and then 0.875 in the Y. So 0.875, and then we'll hit, I think I hit comma instead of a point for the 0.875. We'll do that again, 0.875, enter. And now you can see it starts putting the box in. So now what it wants to know is where the other point is, the opposite corner. And in this case, the opposite corner is going to be, let's see, the difference between, we come over here, 5 inches and 1 inch. So it'll be 4 inches in the X dimension and 0.875 in the Y. So I'm going to come back over here and type 4, comma, 0.875, enter. That puts our box in and completes our drawing. Again, I'm going to save it. So File, Save As. And we can just save it as 1-10 and click on Save. And now we've completed 1-10.